2024 Cadillac Escalade. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, entertainment system, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, night vision, premium sound system, supercharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.